From G Advanced 2022 Physics paper. A solid sphere of mass 1 kg in radius 1 meter rolls without slipping on a fixed inclined plane with angle theta equals 30 degrees. Two forces of magnitude 1 Newton each, parallel to the incline, act on the sphere at a distance r equals 0.5 meters
radius
from the center.
r equals 1 meter.
We need to find
Angle
the acceleration of the sphere down the inclined
Force
plane.
F equals 1 Newton.
Distance r equals 0.5 meters.
Let's solve this
and
step
g
by
equals
step.
10 meters
Step
per second
1.
squared. We'll apply the torque equation about IAOR. The sum of torques about IAOR equals IAOR
Looking
times
at our
alpha.
diagram,
We identify the torques. The component mg sin theta acts at the center and creates a clockwise torque. The two forces F create a net anti-clockwise torque with lever arm 2r from IAOR.
Step 2.
Writing the complete torque equation. Taking clockwise as positive, we get mg sin theta times r minus F times 2r equals 7/5 Mr squared times alpha. Note that 7/5 Mr squared is the moment of inertia of a solid sphere about
Step 3.
IAOR. Let's substitute the values. Mass is 1 kg. G is 10 meters per second squared. Sin 30 degrees is 1/2. R is 1 meter. The force F is 1 Newton and 2R equals
Substituting.
1 times 10 times 1/2 times 1 minus 1 times 1 equals 7/5 times 1 times 1 squared times alpha. Simplifying. 5 minus 1 equals 7/5 alpha. 4 equals 7/5 alpha. Therefore, alpha equals 4 times 5 over 7. Now, which gives
for
us
pure
alpha
rolling,
equals
the
20
linear
over 7
acceleration
radians per
equals
second
r
squared
times
alpha. So, A equals 1 times 20 over 7. The final answer is A equals 20 over 7, which is approximately 2.86 meters per second squared. First, let's understand the key concepts and tricks that will help you solve such problems quickly in a exam. Tip number 1. Use the IAOR method. IAOR stands for instantaneous axis of rotation. For pure rolling motion, the IAOR is located at the contact point between the rolling object and the surface. Using IAOR greatly simplifies torque calculations because the friction force passes through this. Tip number 2.
Point and
Apply the
produces zero
parallel
torque.
axis theorem. The moment of inertia about IAOR equals ICM plus MR squared. For a solid sphere, this gives us IAOR equals 7/5 MR squared. Remember
And here's
this the master formula. The sum of torques about IAOR equals IAOR times angular acceleration alpha. This single equation often gives you the answer. Now let me share some important G exam tips for rolling motion problems. Tip 1. Always check whether the rolling is pure rolling or rolling with slipping. Tip 2. The IAOR method saves a lot of time. Practice it until it becomes second nature. Tip 3. Remember the moment of inertia formulas. For solid sphere about IAOR, it's 7/5 Mr squared. Tip 4. For pure rolling, remember, velocity v equals omega r, and acceleration equals alpha r. Tip 5. Always draw a clear free body diagram showing all
For a
forces
problem
and their
like
exact
this,
points of.
you
should spend about 4 to 5
application.
minutes in the actual exam. Practice similar problems to build speed. If you found this solution helpful, please like this video and subscribe to MAGPIEHUB for more G solutions. We bring you detailed solutions to G Advanced and G Main problems with clear explanations and exam tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. G Solution at MAGPIEHUB, your partner in G success. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and all the best for your exams.